Today, the angels bring a message that can completely transform your view of the love that is around you. You may have felt that something was hidden, concealed in the shadows, unaware that this powerful feeling was about to emerge. An invisible force is working behind the scenes, guiding the destiny of a very special person toward you, and the angels reveal that you are very close to discovering everything. This person who is on your mind, perhaps silently, has struggled to accept the depth of the feelings they have for you. From the moment your paths crossed, something deep began to stir in their heart. They felt an immediate connection but couldn't understand or name the intensity of this bond. The angels want you to know that nothing that happened was by chance. Every glance, every unspoken word, even the moments of silence, were planned to bring you both to this point. This person has long battled against this feeling, fearing to open up completely. They thought they could go on with life without paying attention to this attraction that seemed so strong. But with each passing day, love grows in a way that can no longer be ignored. What once seemed like simple interest has now become something deeper and more overwhelming. The angels show that this person is about to take a significant step in their emotional life, something that could change everything you knew about this connection. What the angels are asking of you right now is patience and understanding. The changes in this person's heart are delicate, and she is in a process of awakening, where she starts to see you with new eyes. She is questioning her choices, reflecting on what her life would be like by your side, and feeling that she can no longer deny the truth that is rising in her heart. There is a fear of vulnerability, of being hurt, but the angels are by her side, guiding every thought, every step towards you. Now, all you need to do is keep your heart open and full of compassion. The angels say that you are the light this person needs to free herself from her doubts and fears. The path that unites you is deeper than you can imagine, and soon, all this truth will come to light. Pay attention to the signs, as the synchronicities, the moments of clarity, and even the small gestures of this person will reveal the secrets that were hidden in her heart. You are about to discover the love that has been hidden, and this, dear being, will change everything. Before we continue, take a deep breath and absorb this message with love. Prepare yourself for what is to come, as the angels are by your side, guiding every part of this process, and the truth will finally be revealed. As this person begins to realize the depth of what she feels, an internal conflict intensifies. On one hand, there is a huge desire to get closer, to express everything that is stored in her heart. On the other hand, the fear of being hurt or rejected still haunts her thoughts. The angels show that she is in a silent struggle, where love and fear are constantly confronting one another. She sees in you a light that attracts her, but at the same time, she fears what this closeness might bring to the surface. This fear is not about you, but about the scars she carries from past experiences. Every time she tries to pull away, the universe pulls her back, as if something greater is guiding this connection. It's as if fate is determined to keep you both together, regardless of the obstacles. The angels are working tirelessly to ease the doubts, dissolve the insecurities, and create the necessary space for this love to fully blossom. You may have noticed small signs of this change. Perhaps this person is more present in your life, with unexpected messages, deeper glances, or even a greater willingness to listen and be by your side. It's these subtle gestures that indicate the barrier between you is beginning to break down. The truth is that, no matter how much she has tried to resist, what she feels for you is so strong that it has become impossible to ignore. And now, the angels are asking you to be prepared, because this revelation is very near. What is happening is a true emotional awakening. It's as if suddenly, everything that was once dormant begins to come to life within her. Every time she thinks of you, something stirs in her soul, and she starts to realize that this connection is more than just a simple attraction or curiosity. It is something that transcends time, circumstances, and the limitations she has placed upon herself. She is about to realize that the love she feels for you is, in fact, a reflection of something much greater. The angels want you to know that you are not alone in this process. They are by your side, guiding and protecting, ensuring that everything happens in the right time. Although it may seem that everything is happening slowly, there is a divine rhythm at play. Every movement, every word, every gesture is being carefully orchestrated to ensure that when this love finally emerges, it is authentic and lasting. Trust in this process. The changes that are occurring are deep and true, and soon, everything will be revealed. This person, who has occupied your thoughts so much, is in a moment of great reflection. They are revisiting past choices, reconsidering their fears, and evaluating what it would be like to allow love to guide them. It is as if they are on the brink of a great revelation, about to take a step that will change everything you both know about this relationship. The angels say that this is the moment of greatest transformation, where the barriers begin to fall and the heart finally opens to the truth. You may be wondering why this person took so long to open up, why they resisted for so long. The angels explain that we all have our time for growth and learning. What matters now is that they are starting to see clearly, to realize that the love they feel for you can no longer be denied. There is an invisible force pulling you both together, something greater than any doubt or fear. And this force is love itself, which is destined to unite you in a deep and lasting way. The moment is near, and the angels want you to be ready to receive it. This person is gathering courage, preparing to approach, to open up and reveal everything that is held in their heart. What was once a secret, something hidden in the depths of the soul, is now about to be brought to light. The angels ask that you keep your heart open and your mind calm, for what is to come will be something that can transform your life in ways you never imagined. The signs of this change are everywhere. You may notice an increase in coincidences, in synchronicities, in moments when it seems like the universe is whispering that something big is about to happen. These synchronicities are not by chance. They are a reminder that you are on the right path, that the angels are guiding every step of yours and this person's toward a shared future. Stay alert, for these signs will continue to arise, confirming what your heart already knows. Love is about to reveal itself. But above all, the angels want you to know that this process requires patience and compassion. The person in question is dealing with their own inner demons, their fears and insecurities. It is a process that takes time, and forcing anything could disrupt the natural development of this love. Trust that, when the right moment comes, everything will align perfectly. Until then, keep radiating the light and patience that are already part of your essence. What the angels ask of you now is trust. Trust in the process, trust in love, trust that the universe is working in your favor. This person is about to take a step that will change the course of your relationship forever, but they need time to prepare emotionally. The angels assure that when this happens, it will be like a new beginning, a renewal of everything you have felt and believed about this connection. And from that moment on, everything will be different, in a way that you have always desired. As you continue to walk with an open heart and full of faith, something begins to change within you as well. The angels reveal that this journey is not only about the awakening of this person, but also about your own growth and evolution. Every moment of waiting, every doubt, and every silent hope has served to strengthen your connection with the divine. It's as if you are being prepared for something much greater, something that goes beyond this relationship. The angels want you to know that this process is as important to you as it is to this person. You may feel from time to time a growing anxiety about the future, about what is really to come. But the angels ask that you calm your mind and trust in the divine timing. They are orchestrating every detail with perfection, and even if you cannot see it now, everything is unfolding exactly as it should. With each passing day, the love that was hidden begins to emerge more clearly. And when that finally happens, you will see that all the waiting was worth it. The person in question is going through a phase of deep introspection. Each interaction, each exchange of glances with you is leading her to reflect on what truly matters in her life. She is starting to realize that you are not just someone who appeared by chance, but someone with whom she shares a much deeper connection than she had imagined. This type of awakening is powerful and at the same time, frightening for her. After all, truly loving means exposing all vulnerabilities, and she is just beginning to understand that. The angels want you to know that, behind every hesitation of this person, there is a deep desire to connect genuinely with you. She may not have all the answers right now, but the desire to discover what the future holds for both of you is growing within her. It's as if, little by little, she is being pulled out of her comfort zone, forced to face her fears and insecurities. And all of this is happening because the love she feels for you is impossible to ignore. The signs of this change will continue to appear. It could be an unexpected message, a loving gesture, or even a change in her tone of voice. These little details are important and meaningful, as they show that, even if she hasn't yet verbalized her feelings, they are starting to manifest in other ways. The angels ask that you be attentive to these signs, as they are a confirmation that what is to come will be a significant advance in your relationship. No matter how slow the process seems, the angels want you to know that every step has a purpose. It's not just about the emotional connection between you, but also about the spiritual growth that both of you are experiencing. This person is learning to trust again, to open their heart to something that goes far beyond the experiences they had in the past. And you, in turn, are learning to wait, to trust, and to keep your light shining, even when everything seems uncertain. The angels show that the moment of greatest transformation is approaching. Soon, this person will be faced with a choice: to continue hiding behind their fears or finally open up to the love that is in front of them. And it is at that point that the fate of both of you will be decided. The angels are working to ensure that when this choice is made, it will be made with clarity, without doubts, without reservations. True love, when it arises, cannot be contained, and this person will soon see that there's no longer a way to escape from this feeling. There is a greater force guiding all the events that are happening. This force, the angels reveal, is the divine love that unites two souls destined to meet. It doesn't matter the time, it doesn't matter the obstacles, this love will always find a way. And now, this path is opening up before you. The angels ask you to continue walking with confidence, knowing that what is yours by divine right can never be taken away from you. The love that is blossoming is a gift from the universe, and you are about to receive it fully. But above all, the angels want you to remember to take care of yourself during this process. True love cannot flourish if one of the hearts is wounded or out of balance. Make sure you are nurturing yourself, respecting yourself, and keeping your own light shining bright. The person destined for you will see that light and be drawn to it. It's important that you continue to be who you are, authentic and true, as that is precisely what awakened that person's love in the first place. When the moment of revelation finally arrives, it will be like a wave of clarity, a feeling of relief and joy. Everything that has been hidden, all the love that remains silent, will come to the surface. And you will realize that everything you have experienced so far has been preparation for this moment. The angels are working behind the scenes to ensure that this revelation is a moment of healing, connection, and true love. They ask that you trust their guidance, as they are leading you directly to your destiny. Finally, the angels want you to know that, no matter what happens, you are being guided by a greater force. The love that is emerging is just the beginning of a much larger journey, a journey of growth, healing, and transformation. You are not alone on this path. The angels are with you every step of the way, and they will ensure that when everything is revealed, you will be ready to receive the love that has always been destined for you. Now, the angels want you to prepare for the next chapter of this journey. What is to come is a change that may shake the foundations of everything you believed about this relationship. The person who has so much of your thoughts is about to make a choice that will determine the future for both of you. The angels show that she is in a moment of clarity and that the doubts that once dominated her heart are slowly dissipating. It is as if a new strength is rising within her, pushing her to act. This action will not be simple. There are many emotions and fears involved, but the angels assure that she is gathering the necessary courage to take this long-awaited step. What you need to do now is prepare, because the revelation that is coming could change everything. Prepare your heart to receive what the universe is bringing to you, because the energy of love is in full motion. This is the moment when everything that was hidden will begin to reveal itself. The angels show that this person is about to open up in a way she never has before. She may have kept her feelings hidden for so long that you started to wonder if those feelings really existed. But the truth is that her love for you has never stopped growing. Every moment of distance, every unspoken word, every subtle gesture she made was a reflection of what was happening inside her. Now she is about to let down all her masks, to break down all the barriers that have prevented her from being completely honest about her feelings. This is the point where your two destinies begin to take shape. The angels show that this person is about to make a declaration, something that may catch you off guard, but at the same time, it is everything you have waited for so long. It will not be easy for them to expose what is deep in their heart, but the angels are by their side, guiding every word, every gesture, so that what is said is authentic and true. And you, dear being, are about to hear something that could change the dynamic between you forever. The angels ask you to stay strong during this process. There may be moments of tension, moments when this person hesitates, but the truth is that they can no longer escape what they feel. What they are going to say comes directly from the depths of their soul, and even if the words are hard, they will bring the clarity you have long desired. This is the moment that the angels have prepared for you both, and they want you to receive it with an open heart full of love. Now, more than ever, you need to trust what the universe is preparing. The love that has been hidden for so long is about to emerge, and with it, a new phase in both of your lives will begin. The angels reveal that this new phase will be marked by a much deeper connection, where love will be at the center of everything. What once seemed uncertain now begins to take shape, and everything you envisioned for this relationship is about to manifest. The angels also want you to know that this journey does not end here. Although the revelation of this love is a big step, there is much more in store for you both. This person will still have to deal with some fears and insecurities, but what matters is that, throughout this process, you will be together, walking side by side. True love does not eliminate all challenges, but it offers the strength needed to overcome them together, and the angels are here to ensure that you have the necessary spiritual support. You may be wondering what will happen after this revelation. The angels say that, although there are no definitive answers to all the questions you have, what is to come will be a period of mutual growth. You both will learn a lot from each other, and this exchange will bring out the best in each of you. The energy that you share is unique, and the angels want you to enjoy every moment of this new phase that is approaching. Now, the only thing left to do is to trust. Trust in the love that has been planted, trust in divine timing, and trust that the angels are guiding every step of this path. The pieces of the puzzle are falling into place, and very soon, you will see the complete picture. Everything that once seemed confusing or hazy will become clear, and you will realize that love has always been present, even when you couldn't see it clearly. This person, who means so much to you, is about to open up in a way that you never imagined possible. True love is a journey, and you both are just beginning to explore the depths of what this really means. The angels are celebrating this moment by your side, as they know that what is to come will be something beautiful and transformative. They want you to remember that you are being guided every step of the way, and that, regardless of the challenges that may arise, love will always find a way to prevail. The future is bright, and all you need to do now is embrace what is to come with faith and hope. Finally, the angels ask that you absorb every word of this message and allow it to resonate deeply within you. What the universe desires for you is nothing less than the best. And no matter what this person's choice may be, the outcome will always be positive, as it will be aligned with your highest good. Trust the angels, trust in love, and get ready for what is about to happen. To conclude, type "I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and everything the universe has to offer me" to claim this message and the blessings contained within it for yourself. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe right now and be attentive to the important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.